about the college campus, it's really beautiful, as you can see. It's so green and it's full of life. You don't get depressing vibes from the campus. The campus is very pretty and very beautiful. And about the UVGCM, I think it is one of the best schools in the Philippines.
So first thing is the affordability. In the Philippines, the education is so affordable compared to other medical schools and with quality. Second thing is the language. In Filipino peoples, all they can talk in English, interact well in English. And third thing is the quality education. The GCM providing the quality education with the world-class infrastructures. Like we are in this skills labs built with the real-time experience that you will get, the students are getting to become a good doctor.
I think choosing GCM is one of the best decisions of our lives because the degree here is recognized globally. The locals, they are very friendly, they greet us whenever they meet us, and I like how they try to understand our culture, how they try to know more about us. And oh yes, it's very beautiful experience to stay here in Philippines. If you are thinking about pursuing your career in Philippines, I think you should choose UH Gullas College of Medicine.